Whenever you or your team need help, ZetaFisc has a built-in help center with answers to common questions. We open it from the sidebar. The questions are grouped into categories: getting started, vouchers and approvals, invoices, and more. You can browse, or just search. Say we want to know about vouchers. We type voucher into the search box, and the matching questions appear. We open one to read the full answer. We can also filter by category instead of searching. We clear the search and pick the invoices category. That is the Help Center, a searchable library of answers your whole team can use anytime. And if you ever need a person, the support page lets you raise a ticket with the ZetaFisc team directly.